Everyone who tried onion juice for hair knows how difficult and painful it is to apply onion juice because onion juice keeps dripping and it hurts the eyes. In this video, I am going to show you onion juice spray. It is easy to apply, non-dripping, and it is not visible, and it is non-hurting. After applying this onion juice spray, you can go out, go to gym, go to shopping, and we can go wherever you want, and it is not noticeable to others.
Let's see how to make this simple onion juice spray. You need to take one fresh onion. A medium size onion is good. And you're going to need pure honey. Honey has excellent hair growth benefits. Lime or lemon juice. Lime juice basically prevents dandruff. This is optional if you don't want to add. And a coffee filter paper, basically to filter the juice. And you can take a dropper or syringe. This basically makes it easier to extract onion juice into spray bottles without spilling. A small spray bottle for easy application of onion juice. Now let's see the whole process. Chop onion into small pieces. You need to grind them into a thick paste. You can use a blender or a mixer for this. And once the paste is ready, take it into a jar or bowl. In this case, I have taken it into a jar. Now you can add 1 spoon of pure honey to this. In a separate bowl, squeeze lemon juice. Add 1 spoon of this lemon juice into the onion juice. Now you got to mix these contents thoroughly. Now your onion juice is ready, but the problem is it's not very easy to apply. It keeps dripping off and it can even hurt your eyes. This is very inconvenient and painful. Now let's make a simple and easy spray. Take the coffee filter paper. Take an empty bowl and place this filter paper on the top of the bowl as shown. Now add a few spoons of onion juice into the filter cup. Basically, we are trying to filter out the pulp. Now squeeze the onion juice inside the filter cup slowly to separate the onion pulp. The result is we have filtered out the pulp and we got clear, transparent and water-like onion juice. This is very light and invisible when applied. This is almost like water. Now with the help of syringe or a dropper, take this clear, fresh onion juice into a spray bottle as shown. Now our easy onion juice spray bottle is ready.
Now take a bath tissue like this and cut the required amount of length to wrap your head. Now fold it like this and wrap it around your head. Now this helps as a barrier and prevents onion juice from dripping into your eyes. Now take the spray and spray all over your head as shown. When you are spraying, massage it slightly to spread it to the entire head. So when the onion juice is dried up, you can remove this towel.
After the onion juice dries out, you can do your regular activities and you can even go out. After an hour, of applying shampoo and rinse thoroughly to get rid of the onion smell. That's all.